Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In our previous video we discussed about speed and velocity. Now in this video we are going to discuss on the example of speed and velocity. What is the example of speed and velocity? Okay. From my previous video, as you know that what is speed? Speed is an object covered a distance, certain distance in a unit time is called speed. Okay, ठीक है? तो distance covered per unit time is called speed. Suppose a car travels a distance 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, 100 kilometer in 1 hour is its what? Speed of a car is 100 kilometer per hour, but there is no any direction mentioned, so speed is scalar quantity because there is no any direction mentioned. Suppose same car moving with this speed of 100 kilometer per hour in whatever direction, okay, east, west, south, जिस भी direction वो car move कर रही है, but direction is mentioned here, so that's why velocity is vector quantity. अब समझ आया what is the difference between speed and velocity. Okay, one must keep track of direction. It would not be enough to say that an object has a velocity of 100 km per hour. Okay, one must include direction information in order to fully describe the velocity as being 100 km per hour in whatever direction. Okay, so one common question every student ask from their teachers, that question क्या है कि an object moves from x to y and return back to y to x. Okay, so what we find here, what is the question? What is the displacement covered by that object? Okay, displacement कितनी है, and what is the average velocity? My writing is not so good. I hope you are understanding. अब आपने एक ऑब्जेक्ट ने कवर किया, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर की फ्रॉम पॉइंट x टू y और फिर रिटर्न हो गया y टू x, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगी? ऑब्वियसली डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो जाएगी? इज इक्वल टू 0. बट अब पूछ रहा है अगर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इधर हमें पता चल गई डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 होगी, तो व्हाट इज द एवरेज वेलोसिटी? एवरेज वेलोसिटी कैन बी रिटन एज AV. ठीक है, एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट कूवर्ड इन पर यूनिट टाइम. पर इधर आपको पता चल गया कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 हो गई पर यूनिट टाइम, तो इस फॉर्मूले से क्लियर है कि एवरेज वेलोसिटी मस्ट बी 0. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड this topic very well. What is speed, what is velocity, what is the examples of velocity, and this very common question. I think you hope you understand. Please अगर कोई बात समझ में ना आई हो, कोई क्लियर बात ना हुई हो आपको, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में मुझसे ज़रूर पूछें. थैंक यू सो मच. मस्ट शेयर, मस्ट सब्सक्राइब. अल्लाह हाफिज़.